Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your password in Asana. What you need to do, after you go to Asana and you log in your account, then you click here in this profile picture icon and then my settings. After that, account. And then here password, change the password for your account. Click change password. And now you need to type your current password and then new password and confirm new password. After that, click save. This is what you need to do if you want to change your password in Asana. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.